In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an internship on LinkedIn. A well-maintained LinkedIn profile is essential for networking and showcasing your experiences effectively. And adding your internship experience is a great step towards building a strong professional presence. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website. If you have the LinkedIn app on your phone, that works just as well. Once you're there, you'll see the home page prompting you to sign in if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. It's important to ensure you're signed in to easily access your profile and make the necessary updates. Once signed in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. This is where your network's updates and activities appear. To proceed with adding an internship, you need to access your personal profile. Locate and click on your profile picture or the small icon representing Me in the navigation bar at the top. A drop-down menu appears here. Select View Profile from this menu to go straight to your LinkedIn profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Experience section, which is where LinkedIn allows you to add details about previous jobs, internships, and other relevant experiences. If you've already listed some experiences, this section will be visible as a part of your profile summary. Scroll down to this section, and you're ready to add a new position. At the top of the Experience section, you'll find an option labeled Add Position. This is what you'll click to start detailing your internship. By doing so, a form will pop up prompting you to fill out information such as the title of your position, the employment type, company name, location, and duration, among other details. Be as accurate and comprehensive as possible to give a clear picture of your role and responsibilities. Ensure to include keywords that are relevant to your field and the tasks you are responsible for during your internship. This not only showcases your skills, but also enhances your profile's visibility to potential employers and connections interested in your expertise. After you've input all the necessary information, double-check for any errors or omissions. Once everything looks good, save the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the form. And there you have it. You've successfully added your internship to your LinkedIn profile, enhancing your personal brand and professional identity on the platform. Keep updating your profile as you gain more experiences to ensure it accurately reflects your career journey. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.